Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Windmill Manor at 5611 Gusty Street in Bradenton, Florida. This is somewhat of a unique community with mature oak trees throughout. This is both a perimeter lot and on a dead-end street, so it does offer quite a bit of privacy, and you'll see towards the end of the video, it does give you an expansive backyard area. For pricing and full details on the home, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. This is a 1983 double-wide home, 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. It has 344 square feet under air, with an additional approximately 200 square feet in the Florida sunroom with a portable AC. You can see you have a nice covered carport area along with some room for socializing. This is a split plan home, so you do have a bedroom and bathroom on either end of the home. As you can see, the living area offers an ability to have some office space. On the front of the home, you have your guest bedroom with a double door closet space and full bathroom with shower tub enclosure and plenty of storage. There's also a nice hall closet here. Walking back through the home, you can get a feel for the layout of the kitchen, dining room, and living room area. This is a pass-through kitchen, so you have entry to the living area and dining room. We have stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, range, and dishwasher. We have freshened countertops and a nice tile backsplash. I love these handy pull-out drawer features. You can see laundry through this area as well, but we'll come back to that. And first, take a look at the dining room. There's built-in storage cabinet there. The rear of the home is all the primary suite. We have a generous size vanity area, a private toilet and shower, and then a really nice large walk-in closet. Just a recap peek of the living space in the home. And on to the laundry area. You have lots of storage here. And then step out into the Florida sunroom. This is fully finished. It does have the portable AC unit if you need it in the summer months. It offers some additional cubby storage space, and the fireplace does produce heat. The home is being offered partially furnished, so with any contract, we'll get you a firm list of what items will stay. And the golf cart is open for negotiation as well. Major updates that have been completed in the last 3 to 7 years is a membrane roof, air conditioning system, vapor barrier, water heater, tie downs, termite treatment, and all the major appliances. If you happen to be a gardener, this home does have a sprinkler system. And you get to enjoy this beautiful green space in the back of the home. This is an exceptionally beautiful kapok tree. I'll show you a bloom of it. It's not quite fully in bloom yet, just getting started, but they really are spectacular. And again, the home sits on a perimeter lot, so you do have a 6-foot privacy fence on the left as you face the home, giving you some increased privacy. All the skirting is in good shape all around. You have a gutter system on the home. And some nice landscaping to get you started, with plenty of room to grow. Windmill Manor is a 55 plus community located just off of State Road 70 near I-75. It's about 25 minutes or so to the Gulf Coast beaches. They do offer a clubhouse, a swimming pool, billiards and game room, a fitness center, shuffleboard and horseshoes, a dog park, and lots of social activities. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now. For pricing and full information on the home, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos.